Second type, quizzes. Quizzes. 4 times 4, but I plan to give you 6 quizzes so you can drop 2 lowest scores. Yeah. After you drop 2 lowest scores, yeah, because usually for some reasons, some students may not do well in 1 or 2 quizzes. Yeah. In that way, so you still, you can control the damage. Okay, yeah. All right. For the quiz, then, in general, it is much easier than the homework assignment. Yeah. So we treat it as small assignment. So each one 10 questions. Okay, yeah. And still also 4 points each question. Yeah. And question types, the first 3, but no solution type. Okay, yeah. So I do not copy. Yeah, because the reason is simple. I use the Canvas quiz tool. Yeah, I use, some of you may use it in other classes. I use the Canvas. Canvas has a quiz tool, right? Yeah, quiz tool. So that tool can do the auto grading. Yeah, so I just enter my answers. Then the tool uses my answers to do auto grading, right? Yeah. So in that way, I cannot give any complicated answers. My answer should be simple, easy, simple, no confusion. Then the tool just do comparison for the grading. Okay, yeah. So in that way, yeah. Remember at the beginning, I said we will have total 6 modules. Yeah. So for each module, there is 1 quiz. Yeah. 1-to-1 correspondence. Yeah. 1 quiz for 1 module. So it is designed to check your understanding of this module, the current module. All right. At the end of each module, I give you 1 quiz, 10 questions. Yeah. All right. And the duration for each quiz, 1 week. Okay. Duration, 1 week. Yeah. Quite long. The reason is simple, because usually each quiz is used to help you study, understand the material of 1 module, and you need to spend time to study the content. Yeah, so it takes time. So that's the reason I give you 1 week to complete 1 quiz. Okay, yeah. All right. Another thing I may need to make you aware of, for quiz submission. For the quiz, actually, just a few more words for the quiz. Because when you start, I do not put any time limit on the quiz. I just set deadline. Okay? Deadline is at least 1 week from the time that I post the quiz. And how much time you use to complete the quiz, no time limit. Okay? No time limit. Yeah. So you can, you do not have to complete all the questions. You can do 1 or 2, then study, then do another, a few more. Yeah. So because you need to spend study time. Yeah. So because we use that way, yeah. But based on my experience, some students by accident, quite a few, quite a few, 2 or 3 students, they may hit the submit button by accident. That could happen. Okay, yeah. Every semester there were a few, 1 or 2, 2 or 3, yeah, they may have this kind of problem. So hit the button, submit button by accident. Yeah. If that happens, don't worry. So don't worry, I'll give you a second chance. Okay. Second chance, because I cannot control the quiz tool. I cannot. For the Canvas quiz tool, I cannot control that. Yeah. But what I can do, I just post the screenshots of the quiz questions. 10 questions. So I do the screenshot cuts, save as the image files. Then I put all the images of these 10 questions in a zip file. Then I upload it. So you download the zip file, then you use the images of those 10 questions. So then you have the second chance. Okay? Yeah. Just don't be panic if you hit the submit button by accident. Yeah, because we have another way to solve the problem. Okay? Yeah. So you will have the second chance. Yeah. Just let you know. Yeah. All right. So that's the quiz.